Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quiz cards updated. Begin by gathering index cards and a pen, then decide on topics and difficulty levels, and write one clear question per card. Use concise wording and include just enough context to trigger recall. On the back, add the answer plus a 1 or 2 sentence explanation to reinforce learning and fix common mistakes. Write questions that prompt active recall and require an answer, not recognition. Keep each question focused on one idea and avoid vague language. Craft distractor options or common wrong answers to guide review when needed. If a question is often missed, add a brief hint or mnemonic on the answer side to support learning without giving everything away. Rotate cards regularly to strengthen memory. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money. The Simple Path to Wealth makes a fun study break companion and pairs well with budgeting your study time. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thank you for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Organize cards so you can quickly pull a stack for focused practice, using numbers, colors, or topic headers. Mix new and old cards to apply spaced repetition and keep sessions short but frequent. Track which cards are mastered and which need extra review, and shuffle regularly to avoid pattern learning. This method keeps study efficient and adapts to your memory strength over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.